You see, my father, when you're speaking of the quantum universe, which is what we're doing, when we bring the universal truth here,
Yes.
the reason why humanity, there's a shift going on in the world,
Yes.
because what we are saying, it's here.
Right now.
And because they're here right now, everything that is here that is not true, it'll destroy itself.
And yeah.
So the world are going with chaos because now we open up a portal of direct linkage with the harmony, with the all. So what we are saying is link with the all.
Yes, man. I need to combine in one.
Yes. So because what we are saying is link with the all,
Yeah.
appear chaos for those who are not linked
Not
with the
even
all.
the all, yeah.
That's why I say missile and the matter about nuclear. Because there's a nuclear connection here with the all who we are teach.
Yes.
It's never been done before.
Okay. Everybody afraid.
Okay.
And you know, nobody know want to turn up with each other. You have some man is selfish. You run, you see what they do? What they do, you know, man, and any man they take on that legacy, you know. And then they're tired, because they're tired quick because, you know, they not do it for no spiritual realms, you know, then they do it for the money. And as soon as they make a portion of money, then done with it. Because they use you as a leader or a piggyback to get to where they want to go. But you know, we go so. I know for them, I see. I mean, I know what do all some of them here, then start lick out now for some things, but then see. Saying alright. But a long time, even when they lick out long time, wouldn't gone so bad. You have some of the icon them, then take money and bribe them, you know. Money and bribe them and shut them up, keep them silent. But what you do, you know, you do it for you do it for humanity. You're a humanitarian. You know, take, you know, all of them don't do it. And they'll say yes, and they'll come on board, yes. And then they'll say yes, then a good thing you they do, yes. But then they'll turn them back. They're not going to have no part-time. I tell you, they're not going to have no part-time. They need to have a part-time. Because we could have better off in a run. The struggle could have reached further, you know. Because if we don't get strength, we wouldn't struggle so. And then know, you know, they know. So it's a thing, it's a continuous thing. Because none of the people who govern us are take there, so then they take care of it. They not do nothing to it, you know. They move to kill it. Because here some they say they come to serve and protect. What kind of serve and protect then they do? One robbery. Because if right now, if one of your brother commit himself and then come at your yard, if you got 100,000 or if you have 50,000, then you know how you come by, you know, and rob you take time, put on $10 then the police them take you gone and go with them. And gone with it, then all left it. And then come in the house, come see, make one somebody of the family member do sitting wrong, and you will see what happen. Everything in that the house, they confiscate, and when you go down to jail house, you could not get it back. No, get it back. So tell me now what kind of serve and protect like them then. Them they are not serve and protect, them they are rob and destroy. You! Yeah, go ahead. Alright? Oh, you want to go cook your pot, man? Go and go cook, man. You love cook. Alright. I tell you, Ron. You see what you do? I appreciate what you do. Me love what you do. No appreciate. Me love what you do. What you do, man? Tell you, say. Whole heap of strength to the put out. Whole heap, no one, no two.
You see.
Yeah, man, I receive mission on the pan, man.
Yeah, no light, you know, brother.
Yeah,
that
man,
is why when we do me joke it out more time, if we take it easy, you know, pressure bus pipe. So me kinda, if you see me in other videos, you'll never know I'm serious.
I mean, if me never know you. Then if me know you're serious, run me in a video. Only night, you know. A serious thing me deal with, you know.
Yeah.
And if me say what you say, I sit what go elevate me and move me from one place to the other.
I talk to the wife, you know, I say to your wife, I say, I'm different now, right? She say, yes, thank you.
Yeah, man.
she see your growth, she feel it.
Yeah, man, me different. Because him they think negative, you know, but me don't have the negative vibes with me, you know. Me just make sure say no, so me don't have negative thing, because you know. Me have business me do, you know.
Yeah.
Me do business and me is a trade man. So when it come to woman don't come around me, and plus me is a Virgo, so woman don't acquaint with me all the while, because you know. Me actually know what they think and how they think. Me actually know that. Because me and woman have friend, you know, me never lose a woman friend, you know. No, me never lose a woman friend. I must mean say, alright, you know, move too rowdy, so me don't kind of
move what?
Give me space. But me never lose a woman friend. Me's a Virgo, me not lose woman friend. Woman friend, for years me have them. Some me have some from me a little baby. Them buy things to me from me a little baby, them buy things to me. Yeah, me never lose a woman friend, so. And she always say, boy, me got wally for a woman. Me don't have no woman, man, she. But I tell her other day, say, if you continue them the way, they probably go have to move on and left one another. He said that can't happen, but me live without stress, you know. Yeah, you have to live without stress. You can't make nobody stress you out.
But you can't, so you have peace and tranquility and live it. And you have to the people them around you were close to you.
That's why you have to live somebody way.
You have to say to them. You have to say to them, no use. Alright, me I tried the mission.
Yeah.
And the man them say, oh come run, I have enough woman running.
Because put them aside.
Because if them speak out of terms,
me and them not going on.
Me tell a woman say there's a big heavy load on my shoulder.
Yes.
Everything you say, if me have to turn my neck.
Yes, you know working.
Me tell her say my neck I go broke. So you know everything you say, it determine the load with upon me. But I say to her, if you can live where me I live.
But he's supposed to help and make we move on. I say everything come down, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's willing to help.
So back in the days, yes. Back in the days in Africa, whenever a man lift something heavy or a man do something very big, the position of a woman is to balance him. Is not to annoy or put herself first. She have to marry to the mission. The problem is most of the mission here was colonial mission. So when they marry to the colonial mission, them get confused and them start fight you every day about them emotion when we're not free yet. Remember, say when we were slaves, we were fighting together. We don't have no chance to argue with each other because we are trying to escape the chains. Now them think them free. So now them are going to have personalities. So a personality now become at the forefront. Me not deal with personality, me deal with work.
Yeah.
So me understand feelings different from personality.
Yeah.
And sometimes people have pain and they don't know if they get rid of it or express it. They don't know if they balance themselves. Some woman thinks that balancing themselves is getting at you or annoying you for show them pain. So me learn is like, when me see the disturbance, me say to them, alright, what kind of pain you have? Cause everybody they go through the pain and you're supposed to help heal them more. But in
that's what is a strong man. That is what a strong man supposed to do.
Yes.
Behind every good man in here, you have a strong man. To comfort, you know, and keep your confidence up, you know. Because that's the only way to have confidence in your life. You know?
Yes.
You have somebody where we can encourage you.
Yes.
So let's say, yeah man, what you do right? Yeah man, because you have some woman. Right now, you say you live with one woman and you take a check. You know, cook for you, you know, wash for you. All I do for you are comfort you, sexually. You don't do nothing for you. And when you come to Friday, you know, look for the biggest money. And none of your needs, one more needs, and a female needs too. Yeah, because sexually, I know you alone benefit out of it. Right round.
What me I learn is
Only
that
that in do.
if the
Only
work
that.
what me I do, she I do it too, she will find say, I know just me and her.
No,
And
we
me
not
and
do
her
it.
and the work.
No, I do it.
That way we distract with energy in the work and I get too caught up with each
every
other.
woman do it. Not every woman. You have some woman genuine and we step towards it, but it's not every woman.
Yeah.
You see, enough of them we are fooling each other going. No joke.
Yeah, that's why
Only when you get the breakthrough now and you see the money start come.
Yes. Then a long time we have tried the mission.
Yeah.
When you say Gavin, no woman now come sit down beside you and wait for Pan-Africanism.
Waste of time.
No, sir. Why you think me tried, sir?
It's a waste of time.
No, sir.
We are all man, we should have stand up. Be something. It's a waste of time. Although enough of them don't have everything. And if you can't stand for nothing, you something you're not going to stand for nothing.
Yes, my brother.
Because some of them, when you see them, they have everything. Every meat they catch, they have everything they have. They don't have no border, no boundaries, they just have. So they end up polluted too. Enough of them, them spiritually, them physical and mentally corrupt.
Yeah.
You don't have nothing good in them.
Themselves. Yeah.
Because they say, you is what you load in yourself, you know.
Yeah.
Show me what you eat and me tell you who you are, you know.
That's why I have to change and balance.
Yes.
You know.
It make me love change and balance, man, when you talk about change and balance. Because I usually post something and take me out the grave to with like them, you know. I usually do it. And I find out China profit me nothing, they don't make me sick. Yeah, it don't sick me. Because how is it when I look on it and nobody stop me, you know. But when I look on it now, you kill the fowl, you grind up the head and you grind up the belly and you grind up you cook them. You pre-cook them and you grind them up.
Yeah.
And then you put the soya bean and the corn in it now and bake it.
Yeah.
And give up the said animal them themselves. So why you the cost right there, so?
Yeah.
No bacteria.
Yeah.
That's why woman them look so.
Yeah, man, then them
All of the woman them belly big like say, then they have baby and you know, and some woman them will stop that in a long time.
Yeah. And
That not healthy for them. That's why I'm glad how my wife look, and I tell him every day, and I say, yo, you see, better eat them meat than not drink bitters. You see, they eat them meat, then you not take wash out. Then the more me shame to look for you. No, for woman them then not even eat, drink little Neem, you know. I little search, you know. I little search me out, and nothing, you know.
Modernization.
No, sir, they not even take one half a island seed and say then they get some wash out. Then just clog up, you know, see how they look, them belly big so. I hear what they come talk, say now, say they're healthy. So another day I'm saying, my girl, fat now here, you know. Fat now here again. Because when you're too fat now, man, no want you. So you have to secure yourself.
Well, send them to JamaicaHealthBox.com.
You know, Jamaica Good Life, man.
Jamaica Good Life. You see me change, me change and balance.
You know, show me the detox roots them and the build roots them and all of them roots. You know, show me them from my phone. That me I tell you. Every minute, if them feel sick, you know, you see them run go to a doctor.
Yeah.
What then dog it again? When they sick, we bang them up again. Cause you see the pill them, what they give them? A pure chemical. Wherein, no for them not even take time out to go look Herbal, because no for them woman, they cycle shake up, you know. They not have a good menstrual cycle, right?
And we have the hormone balance
Then
for them.
we not got the Herbal, man, and we have the sitting them, man. We don't have the bush them, man. We have the bush them, you know. You see it?
It's a me that want to learn from the best, and I am starting to learn. I was bad before. Me changing to be better.
Yeah. Right now, I give thanks to my granny because when he come to bush, and you know, I'm going to carry down to me, they come back, back to Eden. Remember that book there?
Oh, yeah.
Buy one car company.
We get it.
I never have to pay you back.
No worries, sir.
Yeah, I want one of them
We get the digital version.
And send it on my phone.
Yeah.
Send it on my tablet.
Yeah, man.
Because I have all of that we study. I want to study that book there because you have some herbs, you know. All enough time you see also something can me draw.
I'm send you one now from a lady. You see the
yeah. You draw a fish pot and you see the slime a come off of the fish pot, catch with the sea bottom for long. Even the net too, pick up it. You see when that go on your skin, you have fungus. And you have bush where you can't come in and go no doctor go get no chemical peeling.
Okay.
More. Yeah, yes, Uncle G.
You see that same sitting there where you said your fungus? You study.
If you give fungus all in your ear, if you catch in your ear, you get knocked, you know.
The same can better you.
It said one.
What you mean?
Me no want it to be better.
I got the antidote. A poison like you if you have poison.
But you know, you can't deal with it, so.
No, you'd have to deal with one different way.
You have to deal with one different way. I tell you, when me got the book now, the book don't show me how to deal with it. That's why I want the book.
I see a man
Yeah.
therapy.
Yeah.
Poison cure poison. I run with it.
But me buy one soap, one soap you know, for man, what they call it, Protex. Protex, man. Yeah, Protex, man, take care of you, man. Protex, take care. Good for fungus, you know. And ringworm and liver spot and all.
Use the neem oil on your skin.
Neem oil, me no get no neem oil.
Only bush good.
Me no get no neem oil. Me use the neem like just pick the neem and use the beard.
Use the neem oil, man. Crush it.
Alright, this when I crush up the neem, me go pick the neem and crush it up and use the soap
Beard.
and beard.
Yeah. Good.
Like how mother use the Cersei and beard.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
You see that bush head out there, sir?
Which
That tree
one?
there?
Which one? The neem?
Yeah.
You know, it me use beard,
See,
brother.
then you get the juice that
You know, juice me juice, man. No juice me juice, you and use it, rub my skin. Alright, me don't at night time and when time mosquito they bite me. Me just rub up here and juice it and take it rub my foot.
Yeah.
No mosquito no come for me.
I'm afraid of the neem.
No, I'm afraid I need me bitter.
Yeah.
When you rub it, you know, you have to go wash up all your hand, you know, because everything you touch after bitter, you know.
All what you eat, you want to taste it on your food.
Yes, man. All if you go against your food, you know, if you touch your food come bitter.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
You see with the name now, what me do with the red.
But me wonder how the hormone in the neem so strong. That simply means that if the food they are so, you know, you know, touch it, you know, you rub up yourself with it, you know, touch the food, you know. And when you eat the food bitter.
No, because on your tongue, you change your taste bud. I know the
change
food,
your
you know.
I tongue catch it.
But you know, put it in your mouth.
No, you know, in your blood.
It come like it go through
Change
your
your taste
pulse.
bud. Let me tell you something.
Like it go through your pulse.
I go Portland, go eat around cocoa leaf and find out say my tongue did that smell.
Okay.
Cause every time I smell, me feel it on the tip of my tongue.
Yeah, that's...
You see certain thing, I can't eat, you know, where there. I eat some fish where they use certain herb.
Pan for
or
cooking.
season.
No, sir.
Herb. I deal with the seasoning them. I don't know market seasoning. Anytime I name them seasoning, all of my teeth them at me frying at the gum.
You know what? You know what they have in it? All allows in the season.
All 3 days hurt me for. My mommy tell her that, so all of them same thing there.
Herbal seasoning, man.
People
Certain herbal seasoning, you have to know how to mix it, you know, because some people mix herbal seasoning full,
Chemistry,
you
you
know.
know.
You have to know how to mix herbal seasoning, you know.
But
Because
you
them put all sitting in it, you know, rosemary, you know, and all of them stuff.
For what you say.
and everybody
Can't eat
can
certain things,
deal
you know.
with certain things. Some people can't even eat cheese.
Alright, tapping night. You know what sitting what they call name something, the cinnamon stick. That some people can't eat in a cake, you know.
No, allergic to it.
Allergic to them, bump them up bad.
Some people can't have sweet pepper.
Okay.
Alright,
Me eat goggle eye. And me eat crab and meat. And me see one day we they come. And my brethren buy crab. You know, can't go give him that. Me buy crab, can't go give him a piece.
Now we tell
3
you.
to 4 days in hospital. His whole body swell. His whole body swell. Like since we talk, your mouth, lips swell. His face start swell.
Everybody can eat fish.
Me know. Alright, me see goggle eye again, cry. And the man they catch himself.
Remember we are filming now.
We are filming now. Man they catch up himself, you know, and they catch up the whole of himself, you know. Yes, when me take a check and look on him, man.
I mean, we don't want disrespect.
A beer fine,
some people
fine
don't
bump.
like it.
No, people don't like him. Beer fine bump upon him. Yeah. And I eat the same fish and nothing wrong with me. So you have some people allergic to certain things. So you have to know why or how you eat or where you eat. And you see your food, sometimes you have to supervise your food, you know.
Then how you feel me move with food?
Okay. Because what going in, it's hard to come out, you know. Oh.
I don't do if you open
We open and take out. A doctor have to go open the door and take out.
I mean, not trust
And that me not trust him to cut no way inside him. Yeah, me not trust him. Me not trust him. Me don't trust him.
My mind not do that. You see, when you go at the doctor, you have patient. When you go to the lawyer, you have client.
Yeah.
When you go in a shop, you have customer.
Yeah.
When you go in a taxi, you have passenger.
Yeah.
All of them are the same thing.
All of them are just different terms. The whole of them are business and around. Okay. Me hear one time say one doctor, one little man, three having cow them, he have a ticks in a ear. And every time he go to the doctor, you know, the doctor draw the blood out of the ticks. And don't tell the little man, take out the ticks out of him and ears, you know. And he come like he have an appointment when he have to go to America. And you know, tell him wife, you know, because two of them are doctor, you know. You know, tell him wife about it, you know, but through the little man have the appointment, the little man go. When his wife help him out when him gone, take care of him, patient them. And the little man go there, man, you know, so the woman take out the ticks. And he cost him for divorce, you know. He cost the man and the wife for divorce. Because the wife got to take out the ticks out of the cow. And the little man sue him.
I'll cut the money shot.
Sue him.
Okay.
I still the little man sue him because the little man get to find out that he when they do him all the while. And the ticks come out of big ticks in no time and years, you know. And in there they feed, you know. So each time he swell up with blood now, the whole and ears swell up and it start acting. So and all the while the ticks draw out the blood. So the ticks go down back.
And start reload.
And start reload again. Heal up the wound and start reload again. Then we wife take out the ticks now. Man sue him. Then cause him for divorce. Can you imagine a wicked doctor like that? Tell me now. The man they pay you, you know. I said we got all some trade man can, you know. Him bitch up your things. The mechanic do his said thing, bitch up your things and white and you catch we want 2 months. He said problem occurred again.
Alright. I'm gonna look for that people. I'm gonna look for somebody where carry a radio come give them and say fix. And before you pull the radio you say what? I see.
Me right.
When you come to know that?
I know say I see, and you know do nothing.
You don't start checking the radio now.
You know do nothing. Nothing you know do. And you tell us you want I see already.
Style them and style. That's why they always make one place where they go around.
Yeah, we want to have background or something.
Then they go around there. You're gone. Remember me telling you.
Because they know why you see what they do, you know.
Because they don't know. The backside is matter more than chicken.
You know what I mean for chicken?
You style people and style people in our system.
But remember I said 3/4 of people make money out of that 4%. A very few man make.
Jamaica Good.
Mommy, how are you doing, man? I know. Because they have my mouth, you know. And they have help me have my mouth. But at least my roast him and pull my belly out time. Yeah? Me now sell my fish, me take the best fish out of when me catch all the while and eat it. And me they catch them. And my strength make me catch them. And without you have strength to catch them, you can't catch them. How am I going to sell all of my fish and go buy chicken back? I go buy tin mackerel. Me? So sick, man. And the best me eat. The best grandma, the best me eat. So I take out one man, see me? And I scale him and season him up and put him on the fire. Then put 2. And then brush up with them, you know. I have to help me for me. But I don't give them the head though. I give them the head. I don't give them the head because I love my fish head body. Yeah, I love my fish head body. I give you all the fish body and take the head. I love my fish head. I go alright, I go out with my virgin and we catch a fish out. no fish out. Cause the last time I eat one fish, I fish out. Then the fish so dry and no juice no in it. Then dry right out. It's like then deep fry. And the fish so dry, you know, nice. Me they come and we catch up a salt mash up one place where you turn off by the road and go over there. And me know how they play boats because me no eat nothing from that man and where they come from way up Ochi there so we go do some work and they come back. The man say, me not go beer, me no eat, you know. So me say, I could go over the restaurant and we go over there. Him take one nice fish, bigger fish than for me. And me take one nice one took off me maybe about 2.5 pounds. And then look about the fish because it harder, you know. Harder to serve, you know. Because if you know come down fish, you know, look about, you know, but if you come and you show them the pounder, then weigh it, and then they look about. So then deal with it. Him they play boats, him eat, and when he eat and catch to one part, then he buck and can't go no more. He left in a plate. Me ask the man for piece of file paper, because me eat about 3/4 one side. Me have the whole of the other side and the head yet no eat half. He say, me not let me fish, you know. Me ask him, because then give me fish, festival, bammy, and dumpling. Then give me 2 little dumpling and then give me festival and then give me bammy. And vegetable. Me just ask the man, say, you got no file paper? The man say yes. Me just take off the fish off my plate, put it on my file paper and wrap up in. That's when me come down now. Me start eat here now, no insarine take up. Me say, bossy, you bossy. You too bossy. Because you are the paper eat now, you feel so bossy. Me say, me not left me food. No. Food up the waste. Not like that. So you go to a restaurant, you just get up every plate. Me see some man go to a restaurant and they say picky like, me go to eat my food, me eat. So you sit down there watch me eat. Me go eat. And when belly full of me, anything I'm doing when me see me want to carry, me don't ask. The file paper and towel. Oh you mean? So I know my money, me paper. When me not do get up, the paper boat sleep here and me catch a road, me hungry. No. Me go all that town and catch up so. And when them buy pudding, me ask a piece of file paper because I know me no must done it. Yeah, and wrap up here. When me there town, me they eat pudding. No business. And my money me spend, so I'm supposed to enjoy my money. Yeah. You know, they get up left in a restaurant in a plate, make people take it go dash way. You're mad. No, it's my money that man. We should waste like what full want, you know. Yeah. Because you know no boy, I'm sorry, my name put for me yet. He said, I'm bossy, you're bossy, man. You're too bossy. No, sir. I take every chance, man. If a plate me get in I can carry, me gone with it. And if I hear a dish them where you put in, me taking it out of it. Yeah, me not left it. And that's why our restaurant, the restaurant. You know, cook no, you have just strictly seafood in cook. Can't get all crab, man. The man have some crab, sorry, man. You have some crab over there, man. In a place, man. Oh, by the sea. No, man. One restaurant up some, man. He build something like a fish pot like that and have a crab and a lobster them out there. Live in the sea, you know, kind of right beside the sea. You know.
Senti? Senti?
No, man, right out of salt matches in the man. Okay. You have one restaurant where you turn off of the road and go.
I can go past the cup.
Yeah, man, you pass the cup down straight up. Nearer to Falmouth than down here.
Okay, got it.
My man, you look about good food. If you want rice with it, anything what you want, you look about good food.
But I don't care about no more chicken, then
No, I don't eat chicken. I see man come and sit down and eat him pork, so. And I look at him good and say, yo, you know rate me. And he said, what I do now? He said, you get up over there, so go sit down, man. You know, sit down over there.
I must realize.
Yeah, no, I'm not remember. So what they go on? Engine, a machine start. Eh?
How you do?
Okay.
How you do?
How you mean?
Yeah.
How you mean? You don't have your line, man, sitting already. Because I know you never share your line, you know. Okay. But what happened to the lucky line that we always have? You have them? Okay. Alright. In lucky you're at it. We just there so you seen it come and tell a man say, you know buy them some gas in a man. And go to see you see him come back in swing long so you know.
Me know.
You know see him later. Yeah man.
Him died.
No, no die, book online. He can fish him good. And he lucky.
Still.
He get some big silk. Yes, I'm betting put him in there. My man can look on him and say, "True Dan, your life change now."
Yeah, one place fish part next door where they work for whisk, you know, everything. You know, I sit in Quack,
yes, man. Right now, ball plate on residential bird.
Yeah.
Ball plate on bush bird again. You want to see ball plate? Go Iron Shore and Coral Garden right now. And right now, police kill you. You understand? You see which part him put himself? Minister of Security. You can't ramp with Chinese.
Can't kill me.
But little more, they don't have to left. They don't have to left. Yeah, I mean.
I never take over, sir.
Betting, let me tell you, you can't plan a route in a black man place. When black man ready for your left. And me tell you that. You think black people are easy people, them and they're ready for rebel that. Well, I know. That's some revolution people, them, you know. You think I want easy people, them. Wait till they start unite because you know, we won't do long. No. Yeah, watch and see. Because we bring back the love.
That's right.
And then supposed to know, he said, you have to be your brother's keeper. Yeah? Oh, you're going to say, yeah, when you believe say some police can't hold some youth. But the police turning a hear a phone call. Phone call. So you tell me, say, they mean you know, unite. I won't go when you stay going to them country place, so they hurt you. All of who in there live good. And anybody who in there flip up his mouth, look what they do to him. Like, you know, willing to see them get little benefit from the government, the robber Babylon them. You understand? It's a dangerous business that go on, man. You don't prepare no job for them people, them. No job you don't prepare. All where you prepare a police to kill them. But you wait, already you see police and strike and you know strike again because you don't want to give them no money. Look for the hospital. The hospital where when you're sick you have to go. Look how they do it. Yo, God no yo. And look how much million he's saying they spend all about. Why need you to spend all about on the place where when people sick?
Look on the side where they build out the airport for 17 million.
Chopping nice, look on the one where they build a niggle. A whole pan, you know?
Yeah.
A whole tin, you know, and say $12 million. Yeah. Imagine $2 million for one letter. So them people are very terrible, brother. And look on the hospital. I hope they have to go spend 40 million. I want 50 million. And make the hospital come new again. Because poor people need it.
Yeah, different department.
Let me look first time, all me grown I went to school down to other day go do some renovation for it. At the old bench, when me see some old one and they use steel and all kind of shit in the build back. They make the school supposed to get new supply before it open. And them the place if you have no mind or love your nation or say they try to build your nation, you have to think about them. Yeah. Because right now when we look at the government now have no thinking about the nation. All what they want to do just live sweet out of taxpayer money and everything you buy the tax. Everything you buy tax up to the dead tax. Yeah? And we not get no benefit out of it. And them alone. They don't pay light bill, you know, they don't pay water rate, you know, they don't pay food bill, you know, they don't pay transportation, you know. Then get the first vehicle, then get vehicle to drive. A good truck go to the yard, you know, come there the yard and see how them thing run, you know. Say like how you see good truck go to the supermarket. A good truck, chicken truck, vegetable truck.
Yeah.
I mean, a straight truck for them grocery go there. They don't have nobody where they go to the supermarket buy nothing. A truck carry them goods go there. You understand? Then go down to the gas station and go full up them tank. You understand me? and tell me, say, you know, you not in 1 week, you can't say, all right, make we not collect no money now, make we make this money and go to the people then. Make we go to some here and take care of the people, and the people them will help put in a poor, make we go take care of them. You understand? They're not even going to give you, sometimes you go to them office, you can't go in there, and then you put them in a power. You want one piece of paper to sign, you can't see them. And when time election they come, they would have come your mouth, you little old rusty pot, you got to your yard, you know. You want to see them, the tape they come in your house. And when after it them win now, you can't see them to sign even one little piece of paper. But just even if you go get a job then, you can't go in the office. You don't qualify again, not in the office you can't go. But when time you want to go in a power, you come here, maybe it's a dumpling, and if you buy it, you want to buy it too.
Alright, so let me ask you now.
Buy your rights from you. Buy your rights. Why buy from you? You know, it's to make you can't come trouble when time is.
Yeah, make a deal with you, make a deal with the devil. So if you make a deal with the devil, you can't buy when the devil put pressure upon you.
Satisfaction.
Poor people make deal with them, you know?
Yeah.
Poor people always be poor if you
When
make...
you look on some people's house and when you look on the road because them place, no road no did that pass, and the people them find through the pass them. I see some place on the hillside where people them capture, you want to see man them, they go up the hill them. They go by people them yard just to go buy them vote. And you see when them buy it done, somebody time then carry one little bag with them with some little pound of flour, little rice, little this, little that. And then go up there and give you large that. One day belly full. And the other day you're hungry. One day because but I would say 1 day peace and the other day famine. The other rest of time of famine. Can't famine. And you look on the youth, and every youth does get up, sit down, so no work. You understand? No job, you don't have nothing to do. And then say, you are one fisherman, or you are one carpenter, or you are one mason, or you are one what? You know, nothing. Because no care what kind of old level you have, no care what kind of a subject you have. You can't plant one yam, and you can't plant one cane or even one peas. You don't know money yet. You can't fix nothing for yourself, you know, man. Because a man yard and he have much subject and he work out big place. And he can't fix one pipe in a house if he leave. If he saw a board and put in one place where he broke out, he can't do it. You have to call somebody to do it. Oh. So why needs? You don't know full man yet, you know? You're never half of a man. Because I see man where a dunce bat, where they say a dunce bat. When you go in a farm and look on his vineyard where you have. And when he come from sea and see him catch where he make. You can't catch them, man, they feed the nation. And if you can't feed your family, you no man. What money where you have?
You can't feed your family and children for children. God knows.
You say they feed them because you have the money, but I kill all of them. Because every time you go on a KFC or you go on a market where a pure fertilizer food.
Yeah.
So what you do to them? You say they feed them, I kill them. Because really more some of them got cancer, this, cancer, that. Look, if I know rich people, let me see all the while you sick out. I have to go cut out some this out of them and cut out some that. Because the food that they eat are poison. If for them food they go follow it up, man, you're dead. If you have lily sitting in your yard, lily back to your garden, you can't go around, you go pull it on this and pull it on that. Yeah. Some people not even want mint tree, they don't have in their yard, you know. I'm not go all out around the park, man, and pay concrete out there, man.
Not even flowers when they're there, nothing. They're not too have
not even have flowers. A pure artificial flowers. Nothing in their yard to breathe liquor oxygen give them. Nothing. But you come into them see one puss in your yard, now one dog. You might have one dog. Might have one dog. Might. Yeah. You know, sir? They don't give back nothing to nature, brother. Nothing. And they don't help nature in no way. And they don't know.
You have to take over the television.
The teaching wrong. The teaching what they teach people them wrong. They only one way they have them from all long.
And the television.
And that's the way they have them.
The radio station, the television station, the books.
You're mad, man. A wrong thing where you go to school. And you do something wrong in your book. Why you get?
No, ex me.
Alright. When you dey vote, what you do? Okay. That simply means you then sure say you're wrong from the beginning. You don't need to put nobody where are you happy to pay me no when you know do nothing pay you know. Because you know how much money one MP they get.
Yeah man, me no vote.
A month. You know how much money they get?
Out of your vote what you give him.
And you put him there, you know. And he not done nothing for you.
And he not help.
Nothing because enough time when you look on the road, them all in some community youth is a
And
river
everybody in
course.
the community vote.
You see when rain?